guys, it's Eric G from Around the House Show. Is your barbecue just barely holding on and you need to upgrade it for the big game? We got you covered. Monument Grills was founded by three good friends in Atlanta, Georgia that wanted high-quality, durable grills inspired by iconic monuments. The grills are created for the person who loves to cook and are built to last and to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. What I love is that they are the best quality grills for under $900. So check out the American gas grill experts at monumentgrills.com. I bet you'll love to cook on one like I do. Check out the new standard in outdoor cooking at monumentgrills.com.
Here is what is coming up on the Around the House show with Eric G. Make sure you are subscribed to the podcast so you don't miss an episode.
My top 10 questions you should be asking if you're out buying cabinetry. And this is a huge deal, so this can save you a ton of money and headaches. If you follow my rules here, it's going to help get you the information you need so you know how to make the decisions and where to spend money and maybe where not to. We've been cruising through the list here, and this is really big. We were just talking about box construction and insets and the different types of construction there. And the next one's important too. When you're ordering cabinetry, whether it's semi-custom, whatever, there are things that you need to make sure that you're signing and approving that are warning signs if they're not doing this when you go write the check or give them your credit card. And here's what they are. When ordering cabinetry, you need to make sure that you have a set of drawings that have been measured by them and that you're going to initial and approve. You should have already figured out your appliances.
On the second hour of the Around the House show, Eric talks about the top 10 products or installation methods that should be retired for good.
These are the ones that I got to give Bro Newtone a hard time. They still sell these things. Even though they're illegal in my state, I can still go into my home center and pick one up off the shelf. And if you want to hear about that, you can go back to one of our previous episodes where I talked about the building materials that don't meet building code that you can buy at the home centers. Yeah, there's plenty of them out there. And one of those in my area, or literally on the West Coast here where I'm at, is vent hoods that kick the air back into your home. If I could wave a magic wand to improve air quality across the United States, that would be the first thing I would do, would be to make sure that those vent outside. That's how you move the ball the fastest on getting indoor air quality clean for you. Make sure that you can exhaust all of those things. All that and more on Saturdays Around the House show with Eric G, heard on any podcast player. And don't forget, you could be listening to the show right now. If you are an Around the House insider, you would get the show 48 hours early. So Thursday, you could be checking out the brand new episode of Around the House. And you get all the back catalog, up to 1,000 episodes. Thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you on Saturday, either way. And don't forget, we have a brand new episode of Around the House Northwest on Saturday. You can stream it at kptv.com and just look for the Around the House banner across the top of the page. Or you can stream it live on the KPTV Fox 12 app on any mobile device. As always, thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you Saturday. Are you a contractor, landscaper, or small business owner? Are you tired of renting or pulling that worn-out trailer to the job site? Is that really the best look for your company? It's time to up your game and check out the trailers from Summit Trailer. If you want the highest quality trailer you can own, they are proudly made right here in Oregon with a dealer network all along the West Coast. What I love about my Summit trailer is that it's a dump trailer that was designed to work. I can load it up without having to worry about if it's going to be able to lift the load, and it pulls like a dream. This was built to work. So it doesn't matter if you want a dump trailer like mine or a deck over flatbed, tilt bed, or utility trailer. They got a trailer that'll fit your needs. Invest in your business with something you'll feel proud of, pulling up to any job site or your next project. Check out the best trailer in the West at summittrailermfg.com. Check out the dealer locator and find your nearest dealer at summittrailermfg.com.